What's up guys, Supergeek here, and today I'm going to tell you how you can get this really awesome iPhone 13 stock live wallpaper on your Android smartphone, or you can use it on your previous generation's iPhone as well. So first thing what you have to do is download the wallpaper package. The link is in the description, and once you download that, you have to extract it on your phone, and after extracting that package you will get these files, one of which is a video file as you can see here, and rest of them are a bunch of still wallpapers which you can also use on your smartphone, and it looks really awesome. Okay, once you do that, download an app called Video Wall as you can see here. Let me show you the Play Store page for that. So this one is the app, and once you install this, open that app, but before opening that app, turn off your internet because this app throws some really nasty ads and I don't want to show you that. So let's tap on Let's Start, tap on Choose Video, select the video file, and your wallpaper selection might not look like this one, but just tap on Set Wallpaper and select where you want to show that wallpaper. I'm gonna go with Home and Lock Screen. And that's it, we're done with the wallpaper. It's applied and it's working just fine. You can use this video wallpaper app to apply any video file on your smartphone as a wallpaper, as long as the video file follows your smartphone's screen resolution and aspect ratio as well. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.